Now, this is a very critical part of what I'm doing here. I've got one hole drilled, and I'm going to have 2 holes here that holds my motor mount on. This top hole I can put in there, but I've got to mark that bottom hole. So I've got to figure out where that bottom hole is. If y'all are following what I'm saying, because see, I've got to mark it and then drill it. I can't reach through it and find the spot. So what I'm literally going to have to do is kind of eyeball it. Yeah. That's what I'm going to have to do. So, to get my best eyeball look at this thing, what I'm going to do is, got me a hammer, got me a punch. I can swing this aside, and when I do, I can see the hole that's right there. So what I'm going to want to do is to be able to swing it back. You might want to make a mark out to the side of it like this, like this. That's pretty close. And you put this straight. See, I'm also going to want to figure how far in do I want it to be. Well, that looks close. Well, I can mark the in and out part with a like a screwdriver. Maybe I ought to try going. It's not going to be too well. It might work. Just have to. I almost feel like I need to lay down or something to get my angle right. I'm seeing this right. Get a blanket or something to lay on. This ain't getting it. Maybe a towel. If I put a towel down and literally lay down on it, it'd be kind of ugly if I got all down comfortable here and the battery went dead, wouldn't it? Well, here's another thing I could do. I could get a measurement from here to here. That might be better. Center to center, straight down. Or both. I could do both. Do where I think it is, and then check it with a measurement. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Now I'll also get a measure, a tape measure. I'll measure that distance between those 2 holes. Oh, I'm gonna have a neck ache tonight. I can tell you that. I'm already feeling it. Yeah, I am. Alright, go get me a tape measure. Actually, I think this works better than a tape measure. That's my measurement, I think, right there. I think that's it. So, I'm going to go drill 2 more holes. I'm going to go by this thing. That there is pretty close. Yeah, so I'll go set these up on the drill. And we'll go with that. Okay. All that crawling around on the ground there, that's not my best moves there, I can tell you that. My old body ain't handling that so well. Crawling around on the the ground stuff. Well, that's nice, but it's the wrong bit. I need to move back down to the smaller bit, so I'm going to spin you all around this way. Do that. Is that it, really? We use that shorter bit? Maybe. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that bit down in there or not. It might be too short. I gotta have a longer bit than that. It looks about the right size. I hope it's sharp enough. So Rusty Acres called me just now. I had put out on the Book of Face this morning that I was looking for one of them motor mounts like they used to make that went on the front of these motors. And he said he had one, and I said, well, dang, I'm just out there right now making one. So he did have the old school 60 Chevy style part that holds the distributor down, and he found the bolt that goes down in where the rear vent pipe goes. So he's going to send me that stuff, and he's going to look around see if he can find the rest of the vent pipe out there too. So my battery died. I was in the process of drilling these holes, and I thought y'all was just right here with me, and I kind of looked up and realized the camera had quit. It did a pretty good job though. I mean, I've been experimenting with the camera quality. I've actually got y'all turned down on some really low quality right now, but you know, it seems to be working, which you know, if I'm figured out that if I have the quality too high, it uses up all the energy out of my computer and makes it hard for me to get anything actually done. So this is stage 2 here. That was pretty good. Like hot butter when you got a sharp hickey noodle. Alrighty then, I guess we can, I think it'd be miraculous if these actually fit as exact as the holes need to be, but we can try it. I'll take and, of course later I'm going to scuff the edges on this and make them pretty, but I'll take a grinder and kind of just knock the tops and the bottoms on them down, and then we'll set them on there and see how close we are to having something that more or less works. I might have to drill one hole a little larger to get it to work. We'll see. After I get these painted up, I may just spray them down with Chevrolet orange so they kind of match. I don't know. Maybe not. We'll see. Let's see how close we are to having something that fits here. Oh, the joy. What do you know? Those two fit. I didn't think I could do work. Well, maybe I didn't. First, I didn't think I could do work that exact, and I still don't think I can. I'm expecting to have to drill that bottom hole out one side bigger to give me a little wiggle room, because yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. Alright, let's try the other side. See how close we are, or if we've committed a miracle and it's gonna fit. Sometimes you can, sometimes you do. Sometimes you get lucky, what they say. Maybe I did get it on one of them. I think I did. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna look in here see if I can tell how much I missed the other one by. I mean, getting down on a bad knee. It looks close. Not a longer bolt. Give it another try or two or three. No prize on that one, but I might over drill it one size, or I might woggle it. Sometimes you can take and woggle them a little bit when they're close. Looks pretty close. A little woggling might get us there. I don't want to lose any fingers here. That's why I'm not just doing this. You know what I mean? That could hurt. Let's see if that did the trick. Just one little tiny drill size bigger. Find me a drill proper size. Yeah, I'm only gonna do one. I can't believe I'm off so much that I'm still not getting this. I thought for sure every time I drilled that second hole we'd have it. Oh, on. I don't want to drill any bigger holes. I'm just going to wallow them ones out a little bit, I think.